This is Andrew from AJS Woodworks, and today I'm going to be replacing the spark plugs on a 2014 Chevy Cruze. I'm going to be using these AC Delco Iridium spark plugs. So the first thing you want to do is disconnect your battery. So you can just disconnect the negative cable, or you can disconnect both, which is what I've done here. So you'll want to remove the plastic cover off of the engine. It has two clips on the back. This one is broken on mine. And then it has two clips on the front. Next, you want to remove the plug off of the coil pack. Mine is broken. The bottom here is broken. Usually those two tabs are still connected, but all you have to do is pull back on this piece and then slide the plug back. So in order to take the bolts out of the coil pack, I'm going to use this star-shaped bit, and instead of using it in my drill or impact driver, I'm going to use it in this ratchet so that I don't strip anything. So here's your coil pack. You just pull straight out, and if you haven't pulled it out before, it can be kind of hard to get out at first, but I've taken mine out a couple times, so you just set this aside for now. Alright, so next you'll want to take out the old spark plugs. So what I'll be using is this 5/8 socket with a magnet inside to help you remove the spark plugs easier. This is by Coil. I also have a Craftsman 6-inch 3/8 inch extension, and then you have your wrench. So that's just going to make it easier for us to get those out, especially with that magnet. So this is what it looks like inside where the spark plugs are. Alright, here are the old spark plugs, and they look pretty rough, so we'll go ahead and put those new ones in. Alright, so we'll open up the new spark plugs, and they come individually wrapped. Alright, so that looks very similar to the GM factory spark plugs. So we'll go ahead and start putting them in. Alright, so now we can put our coil pack back on. Alright, now the coil pack is on and we can plug it back. Now we can put the plastic cover back. Finally, we can reconnect the battery. Alright, we have the battery hooked back up, and now we can turn on the car and see how it runs. So that is how to replace spark plugs on the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze with a 1.4 liter. I hope you found this video helpful, and please like and subscribe.